You bought a serious work truck, and the interior is already fighting you. Stuff sliding everywhere, no secure storage, and that tailgate's still sketchy to climb in wet boots. These 8 accessories turn your HD into the organized, capable rig it was always supposed to be. Every link is in the description. Go check them out. 9th on the list, but first to get slept on. The tailgate step handle is the safety upgrade every HD owner needs and keeps ignoring. Cold-rolled steel with powder coat rust protection, direct bolt-on replacement for the factory handle, makes loading in wet boots or muddy conditions dramatically safer. One of those things you wonder how you lived without once it's on. Number 8. The center console safe is how you stop leaving valuables unprotected in a parked work truck. 12-gauge cold-rolled steel, weatherproof powder coat, 4-digit mechanical lock with a backup key. 10,000 possible combinations and a 10 to 15 minute install. Peace of mind every time you walk away from the truck. At number 7, the retractable ratchet straps bolt to your factory bed, tie down anchors, and disappear when not needed. Push the button and the strap retracts clean. 400-pound working load, 1,200-pound brake strength, stainless hardware throughout. Fits any bed length. Honestly, the cleanest tie-down solution available for these trucks right now. Number 6. The dashboard organizer slots behind the 13.4-inch screen and turns dead dash space into actual storage. A BS construction with rubber mats that keep everything from sliding and rattling. New dividers organize the small stuff that always disappears. Direct fit, zero modification, looks like it came stock. The door organizer at number 5 is the one every passenger notices first. Slides directly into the existing door panel structure with zero tools. Dedicated cup holder space plus extra compartments for daily essentials. Dead simple install, and it looks completely factory when it's in. Number 4. The center console organizer tray drops into your existing console and immediately makes the interior look intentional. OEM matched finish, rubber anti-slip mats on the bottom, and a lift-out design so you can still access storage below. One of those installs you do once and forget it was ever different. At number 3, the Ruby Grid Dash Mount is the most capable device mounting platform available for these trucks. All metal laser-cut grid mounts phones, tablets, action cameras, CB radios, up to 5 devices wherever you want them. Rock solid on bumpy roads and trail runs. Looks factory, holds everything. Built for people who actually work their trucks hard. Number 2, the center console. Hanging organizer expands your armrest box storage by hanging inside it. Color and dimensions match so well, it looks completely OEM. Drops in and lifts out in seconds with zero tools. Simple idea, executed right, and your console suddenly has twice the usable space. The underseat storage takes the top spot because it unlocks space you're already ignoring every single day. Perfectly fitted for the rear seat area, comes with one large box and a bonus small box. Anti-skid surface, installs in under 5 minutes, and handles power tools, straps, first aid kits, anything you want accessible but out of the way. Looks factory, works hard. 8 upgrades, 1 serious truck, and a cab that finally works as hard as you do. Every link is in the description. Go build your setup. Hit subscribe and stay locked in. More HD truck content is on the way.